Hi everyone, let's take a look at an example of finding the measure of an angle using the cosine law. So here we have a triangle where they've given us the lengths of the three sides, but they haven't given us any angles. So whenever you see a question like this that has three sides given with no angles, that is always a cosine law question. Okay, so they've asked us to find angle A to the nearest degree. And here we sort of have the formula to calculate angle A. So all we're going to do is substitute the numbers from the diagram into this formula to solve for the angle. Okay, so let's do that. So we're going to have A is equal to the inverse cos, because we're solving for an angle. And we'll have B squared. So remember, the side that is opposite angle B is going to be B. The side that is opposite angle C is going to be C. And the side that is opposite angle A is going to be A. Okay, so B squared is going to be 38 squared plus 26 squared minus 30 squared over 2 times 38. Let's try that again. 38 times 26. Okay, and we want to see if we can put all of that into our scientific calculator. That way we don't have to calculate everything piece by piece. Okay, so let's take a look at that. So I'm going to hit the function button, and I'm going to type in inverse cos. And then I'm going to go back to my main. And what I'm going to do first is hit the division button. Okay, and now we have sort of a fraction inside this inverse cos. And then I'm going to top my top line, so that's 38 squared minus 26 squared, or sorry, that's not minus, it should be plus 26 squared minus 30 squared. Okay, so I have the numerator done. If I press the sideways button, I should be able to get to the bottom. No, actually just tap the bottom, and then you'll be able to enter in the denominator. And so in the denominator we're going to have 2 times 38 times 26. Okay, and if I hit the right arrow button, I can kind of finish off and close that bracket. Okay, so that whole thing is going to give us 51.873. Okay, so angle A is going to be 51.873, and they want us to round to the nearest degree. So when we do that, we're going to round to 52 degrees.